Welcome to the block on firearm classification. This block is concerned only with the firearms covered by the Gun Control Act of 1968, that being pistols, revolvers, rifles, shotguns, and firearms which are called others. Items such as machine guns, short-barreled rifles and shotguns, silencers, destructive devices, and another category called any other weapons are covered under the purview of the National Firearms Act and will be covered in other modules. Let's build on what we've learned so far. There are 5 categories of firearms under the Gun Control Act. They are pistol, revolver, rifle, shotgun, and other, firearms that don't fit into any above group. Let's talk about handguns first. This covers pistols and revolvers. These 2 categories are called handguns because they're both designed to be fired with one hand. Note that all handguns must have a rifled bore in order to avoid NFA status. There will be more on that later, or you can see the module on any other weapons for details. Pistol. They come in various shapes. These are handguns which have no revolving cylinder. It's as simple as that. They also must have a grip at an angle to the bore to avoid NFA status. Revolvers. This is another simple definition. These are all the handguns that have a revolving cylinder. So any handgun with no revolving cylinder is a pistol. If it does have a revolving cylinder, it's a revolver. Whereas handguns are the guns designed to be fired in one hand, long guns is another actual category, and it covers rifles and shotguns because both of those categories are designed to be fired from the shoulder. So when it comes to rifles and shotguns, how do we tell the difference? It's really nothing to do with the shapes or the type of action, anything you can see from the outside. In order to tell, we have to look at the inside. Neither their shape nor the way they operate matter. We'll cover those later. Just remember that they all have a shoulder stock and either a rifled bore or a smooth bore. By inside, we mean inside the bore. After you've cleared the firearm and look down the barrel, if you see lands and grooves, known as rifling, that's a rifle by federal definition. If you look down the barrel and you see a smooth surface with no rifling, that smooth bore makes the firearm a shotgun. The difference between receivers and pistol grip firearms are these. A pistol grip firearm is a complete shootable firearm that is, number 1, not designed to be fired from the shoulder, but number 2, has an overall length of 26 inches or more. ATF says that length is what makes it not concealable on the person.